One thing I can say is if you don't like the weather here in North Carolina, just wait a couple of days. Got a little bit of a dusting last night. And because the weather was so good yesterday, I turned the heater off here. Today we're going to be working on the last part of the painting here in the bedroom. This is the last section to get done. It was probably the most rigorous to get done. We're going to get the painting done today, and we're going to make some changes here in the bedroom as well. We'll talk to you more about that later. Well, first things first, we got to take all the doors down and get started on that. Getting all of this furniture ready to be picked up by the Salvation Army. They are going to be coming to get all this stuff up. There's even more that needs to be brought out, but all this is going to be gone. Okay, Lisa's getting rid of a lot of things that have been underneath the sink here in the kids' bathroom. We've got way too many curler sets. Why we have this many, I will never know. Well, we just got rid of a lot more stuff here at the Goodwill. We are keeping these people in business, I think. We are getting rid of a lot of stuff. We're getting rid of a lot of things. We got a lot to clear out. We've got the Salvation Army coming Thursday to pick up a bunch of furniture, so we are cleaning out big time, and that's what we got to do to get ready to move into the camper. Okay, the upper cabinets are pretty much done now. I've just got to put the doors back on and screw everything back into place. I've still got to take some of the masking off, but the lower half is going to have to wait for a little bit because we've run into a problem. Here is our problem. Now, we've not been worried about the floor in the first place because we were putting in a new floor anyway. But when we took this piece off right here, we found a little soft spot. This wood is going to have to be replaced. Which is no problem. We can do that. We just got to cut out all the rotted wood and then put in some new wood, and everything should be fine. This is a major issue. Look at that. The floor is just crumbling. This is going to take some major cleanup. Look at that. I want to take this moment to tell all of you that you really need to take care of anything minor leaks or anything that could ever happen in your camper. Take care of your camper, seal it often. If you see anything, the first sign of anything, fix it, because all it takes is one little thing to cause something like that to happen. Something that was happened previously before we ever got the camper, and it's not as bad as it looks. It's not as bad as it looks. We're just going to have to get some plywood and replace this portion of the floor, and the trusses and the beams are fine. Everything is fine. It's just a little bit of the plywood has rotted out, and we're gonna just replace that wood and replace the floor, and everything's just going to be good as new. Most of the wood is still pretty good. We're going to be cutting out this section right here, and all of this right here is going to be cut out, and we're going to replace it, all of this. Apparently what happened is there was a little leak, tiny leak right up there, and it didn't really do much damage up there, but I guess because they weren't paying attention, everything just pulled down here and caused the floor to rot out. I'm extremely bummed about this. It turned out to be worse than we thought. Apparently something's been leaking for some time. It's just been hidden behind the walls, and so we never knew it was there, because we haven't seen anything. We haven't had anything dripping or anything like that. But apparently after I dug through the floor a little bit more, I found a place that was wet, which means that this is something that has happened recently. And so I got to find where the leak is. I got to fix that, and we're going to have to do a major overhaul on this now.